Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol iBio. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, unfortunately, the bearishness just continues. I mean, the thing was already relatively rough on Wednesday, although that was more so the leading indicator. And again, this means a little bit more to those that have watched the past videos, but if you have talked about 250 quite a bit, and then as soon as that level of support failed, I mean, no such thing as a guarantee, and I can't sit here and say, and I knew it was going to go down below $2, but it was one of those things where, yeah, that level broke, and it essentially has opened up now the floodgates to the downside. So first thing I'm going to do is just house cleaning, get rid of these lines up here. Sure, these levels still pertain to the chart. They're just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines all over the place. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible. But the first update that needs to be done comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So going forward, $2 and right around 17 cents going to be that initial area of resistance now that you're going to want to keep a close eye on. And if the price, gets up, towards that level, that'll be the main level where if the price can break above there, don't get me wrong, there's still going to be a lot of work that needs to be done at that point. But that would definitely be a very impressive sign of strength that, first off, the price was even able to get up to there. But then second off, the price was able to fight through it. And then from the overarching standpoint, as far as resistances are concerned, you'll want to continue to watch that purple line there, the 50-period moving average. But as of right now, that level is not very relevant given the price, isn't anywhere close to it. But nonetheless, that's still the overarching level. As far as levels of support, nothing fancy, nothing complicated here at all, other than the fact of where did the bleeding finally stop today, and the bleeding stopped at $1.91. So for that reason, and that reason alone, is going to be where the main level of his support is at going into Friday. But yeah, right now the bears are seem to be picking up momentum, but we'll see if the bulls can try to fight back or not on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.